And we're not just looking at 2024. I would like you to think of right now here, your life. Just let the memories, the thoughts, the feelings, the emotions, the energy for all of your life's experiences now come into being. We'll ask for everyone as you are thinking to breathe. Please remember to breathe and relax. Perhaps even put a smile on your face. And knowing that whatever is going to happen will happen, whether it sounds in the environment, sounds in your body, feelings, thoughts, sensations, experiences, even interruptions, whatever happens, everything is exactly as it's meant to be. Just remember to come back, center, and focus. And you can do that nice and easily with the breath. As you take a nice deep breath in and you're relaxing into this, you're saying to yourself now, I open my heart, my mind, and my body. I am open to receiving this energy clearing. I'm open to receiving and facilitating this cord cutting. I'm prepared to let go of the things that no longer serve me, that might be holding me back or down, or preventing me from achieving the best version of myself. I'm prepared to step into truly the best version of me to live the life, the best life I can, here and now for 2025. We invite you as you open your heart, your mind, and your body as we prepare space. We ask to communicate with each and every one of your higher selves. We ask to communicate with your energy and your body. We call in the highest guides and guardians. We call in light and the elements. We call in the directions. We ask that surrounds the earth, all spaces are held, from each continent, from each country, from each city, from each town, from each place, from each home, for each individual here, that their spaces be contained. We ask for 4 pillars of light in the corners of each space, and that for that light to engulf around them, encapsulating them, going in all directions above and below, and creating a beautiful, safe container for them to do this work, to know that they are safe, safe to receive this healing, safe to let go, safe to deserve more, to deserve better, to be happy, to be healed, to be loved, to be free. So as we call in the highest guides and guardians of ours and theirs, we call to all of the earth keepers and the guardians of the earth. And we open now all channels. We ask for deep cleansing. So within each space, we ask for the purest light to be ignited and to flow through that. Let it off like a sonic wave, a booming of light. And from this light comes the violet flame. The violet flame to transmute all lower energies. Remembering as we set our intention, only light enters our experience and light exits our experience. We take it upon ourselves now as we allow our energy to be cleansed along with our space. We ask now that the light of the divine source touch the light within each individual. As guided by their divine self, let it ignite in their heart the white flame and ignite the violet flame of transmutation in each and every space, clearing and cleansing of all lower energies, clearing and cleansing of all that no longer serves us in accordance with their divine plan and purpose, with their intention, with their want and their will, with their desire. We ask only to do what is best for each individual here, to help them to achieve their highest potential, to be all that they can be. We ask that a blanket of energy, now indeed let us blanket the entire earth, and let us bring cleansing, purifying energy to the entire earth. With the assistance teams and guardians on hand cleansing, we ask that the energy from the auric field be cleansed, cleanse the entire bioelectric field, cleanse it of any interferences. As we place the power of the divine universe in each and every one of you, in each of your spaces, on the four walls, on the ceiling, the floor, as we allow, as the energy is cleared and cleansed, and we prepare ourselves, set the intention that this will be a powerful cord cutting because you are ready. It is what you ask for. It is why you are here. We ask for you now to think of, reflect upon, don't go deep into the energy, of all the things of 2024 that you would like to let go of, that perhaps are holding you back or affecting you now. Anything that has brought you down, has made you sad or caused you pain, any trauma. I'll give you a moment. And I'll take it back to 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020. We want to bring all of this forward, everything in the last even 5 years. Let's go 2019. Everything, every trauma, every unpleasantry, every bit of pain, sadness, anything that prevents you from truly being happy, expanding your energy, and truly being the best version of yourself, living the best life that you can. I want you to take all of this now as you reflect upon it, blanket it now. I want you to start to accumulate it as though you're gathering up each of these events, each of these situations, each of these energies. I want you to feel as though you're gathering them up and you're putting them into a ball. You don't have to name them, but if you feel the need to name them, feel free. If it calls to you to do so. Bringing them all in. And now this ball is going to start to come together. All of these events are going to come in as though they are one. I want you to imagine as though it's a sphere, a ball, even a balloon. Everything is going deep inside of it. And if there are certain things that you would like to, so if there's something that's happened where you're like, I'd like to name this one really specifically because it seems really important, name it. It's like putting it in the balloon, putting it in the sphere, dropping it into the ball, pushing it in to the barrier so it goes into the center. Beautiful etheric ball that you've got right here. And so you can name them and put them in. And this also includes persons for which no longer serve you, persons that are no longer in your best interest. Not just situations and events, all timelines. We're just going to do this right now because everything that led up to 2024. Now, we want to take that and we just want to make sure that's nice and tightly sealed because we're not done yet. And now we are asked that we start to think back farther. Reflect over your life. All of the things that, yes, indeed, have brought you here today to this moment, but all the things that perhaps still hold you back. Any trauma, any issue that you've not dealt with. Perhaps something that is in your present day, but it began years and years ago, even decades ago. I want you to start taking yourself and just as though you're going back in time through your mind, just peeling back the years as we go from 2019 all the way back to 2000. All the way back. Let's go into 1999. Let's go into the 90s. Go all the way back. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90. And for those, take only where it is your age brings you. Bringing yourself back, going through the 80s, through the 70s, through the 60s, through the 50s. I felt a stop there. So if anyone here has joined us who happens to be into the 40s, keep going. And we're just going to let all of those things, as we've gone back on that timeline and our consciousness went back, it accumulated all the memories, all the traumas, any of the experiences. You can just feel that. Maybe you can actually even feel it on your back a little bit. We're just going to ask that all of those come forward now to be dealt with once and for all time. You can just feel that energy as it begins to accumulate. And it's going to now accumulate into a ball or a sphere in front of you. These situations, these occurrences, this energy can become as small as the point of a pin, or they can be as large as the cosmos. How does it affect you? Bringing everything now into your nice encapsulated ball or sphere. And I want you to look at this And it doesn't matter how much pain or discomfort, even sadness or loss or trauma, whatever the experience is, it doesn't matter. I want you to look at it and say thank you. I thank you. And I love myself enough now to let this go. Thank you for teaching me, showing me right here, right now, in this moment, that I deserve better. I deserve more. And as we've brought all of this together, I want you to imagine now that that sphere becomes as light as a balloon. And it's there floating, levitating, even held by the hand of God, held by your divine self. Allow your divine self, which holds on to none of these, to lift it up. And just as though a balloon filled with helium would start to rise, rising up to the ceiling, let it touch. And say to yourself, I am now ready to sever these ties once and for all time. And you can take your scissors. I want you to imagine that there is a string. And this string that comes from this, you're going to see it attached to you. Where is it attached to? Does it attach to your heart? Does it attach to your mind? Does it attach to your belly? Is it attached? Where is it attached to you on your body? See that, visualize that string. Take your scissors and cut it. And watch as it is able to be taken away, leaving the room, leaving your energy. I want you to just feel that as it floats away into the sky, up into the cosmos. And we would ask now for the divine hand of all that is. It is time now. As it takes the balloon into its hand and it disappears. Feel the lightness. Feel the freedom that it offers you. Take a nice deep breath in with that. And now you know you. What have you let go of? What are you letting go of? What and where are you asking for healing? We would ask you now, state it out loud or mentally. We are sending you healing. Where would you like to receive this healing? Allow yourself, if you feel the need to lay back, lay down, stand, or stay seated. It is only important that you are comfortable, If you are not feeling enough, or if you feel any resistance, say to yourself, I ask for this healing. I open myself to this healing. It is safe to do so. I open my heart to receive the healing energy. Pure universal life force energy flows into you now. Pouring of deep energy like a column through your crown and into your body. Another beam of source energy flowing at your heart center. Each wave, each source, each beam, each pulsing of energy is filled with different needs, different sources, different emotions, different levels. Do you ask, or do you need, or do you require, or is it best for you physical healing, the mental healing, the emotional healing, the spiritual healing? Are there areas? Is it healing of the past? Is it healing of the present? We need to heal the mind, the energy. Allow what healing, for you know what you are asking for. Your body and your energy have their own innate intelligence, and they too will direct the energy. Your divine self knows exactly what you need, and it guides the energy. Strong, thick, wide, deep beam of energy comes up from the earth below you. Coming through your feet, your lower energy, and up into your body. Each wave of energy addresses each in its own right. And we add the shukare, shukare, shukare for your physical healing. Seheki, seheki, seheki for your mental and emotional healing. Hansha session and hansha session and hansha session. For your timeline and karmic healing. Daikomo, daikomo, daikomo. For your spirit and indeed the third eye healing. And we bring together Onshase Shonen and Daikomo together. And we ask for it now to heal the soul. For the soul is attached to all of your life's experiences. Your divine self. Your divine self is like God itself. It cannot be touched by any of the adversity you have ever experienced in this physical body, in the emotional body, in the mental body, or the spiritual body, not even your etheric body. Your soul, however, is. healing. Feel as though there are like tractor beams of light coming in all around you from the far reaches of the divine universe. Coming in all around you, joining you at your core. Just waves and waves of light. Offering you every type of healing you would ask for or you would need. We bring in to stabilize that which we are doing here and now, grounding you in to your physical body so that you may indeed achieve your highest potential and live your best life from this moment, this now, and in all nows. Allowing this and every now across all time and space. So we take it back to the beginning. And we bring in the earth energy, stabilizing. Your feet are firmly planted on earth. The earth herself brings with it everything that you need to live the most beautiful, vibrant, best life. Grounding, supporting, healing. As the element of water pours in, rushes in, waves and waves of water. Water offers purity, cleansing. Water offers life. Water helps everything grow. The element, air. Remembering that air, within air, every breath you take is a divine breath. Think of it, every breath is my God-given breath, my divine breath. And my divine is filled with light, connected to the divine source of all that there is. And thus every breath I take fills me with deeper connection and light. And the element of fire. The fire ignites even more powerful light. The fire can come from the core of the earth, the magma of the earth. It can come from the sun. It can come from the stars. The fire can come from within. Igniting the fire, and through fire is light. Let the fire feed. And let the fire burn that which it is that needs to be burned. and let the fire warm that which needs to be warmed. And ether, the powerful ether of space and energy. It is in you and all around you. It is in every living thing. It is in everything, in all matter, in all particles, atomic and subatomic levels. Ether, space and energy. Allowing the healing on all levels, in all bodies, from all elements. Thank you, thank you. And into your energy system, the chakra system. The 7 chakras, most familiar, and the 5 chakras. We ask also for the 3 heart chamber. As we bring healing above, well above, all the higher consciousness chakras, right through until we reach the crown. Healing into the 3rd eye. And the throat. And the heart. The energy dives deep into the solar plexus. You are enough. You have always been enough. You are so deserving of a beautiful, happy, abundant life. You are deserving of all the riches of the earth. You are deserving also of a life of ease, freedom, and prosperity. You are so deserving of a beautiful, loving relationship as the energy sinks into the sacral chakra. And then just feel the energy as though it is just traveling down deep into the root, anchoring that energy deep in the root. Before you feel it now as it goes all the way down through your body, through your earth star below your feet, and down into your earth chakras. The healing energy brings with it great balance and harmony. Now we ask you, as we've taken a journey into the healing, the things that you have asked for healing. I'd like for you now, if you still feel anything there of resistance, still too much attachment to it, to find what that is. If it's a pain in your body, acknowledge that. If it's something, a pain in your heart, acknowledge that. What is it you have asked for healing? Your divine self wants only what is best for you. Your divine self is powerful, and you, it is you, it is in you. So know that there is a divine universe around you, surrounded, the connection to your divine self, the connection to the divine source of all that there is, the connection to all the angelic beings of light. If what you experience seems too earthly and you want it to no longer be a part of this earthly experience you're having, one of the best ways to get rid of it is to offer it to something that is not of this earth. So if you have that, bring it up into your hands. Whether it's pain that you're taking out of your heart from loss, trauma, where is that trauma? Do you feel it in your body? Where is that physical pain, mental or emotional? I want you to, as though you're scooping that up from you. And I want you to, so you need to scoop that up and put that in your hands. And now it's up to you. Would you like to ask the angelic beings of light to come and take this? It does not serve you. You do not want it anymore. And you would offer it to them as a gift. May they please take it away. Would you offer it to your divine self? Oh, divine self, my I am presence. Please, I am ready now. Come and take this away. Offering it to your God source. I offer this. I offer this to the light, the star of the universe. I ask for it to come and take it away, and see it being taken away, whether etheric hands come and take it from you, whether you place it in their etheric hands, whether simply as it's been contained now, can contain it in a ball of light, and just let that little ball of light go up and up and up and up and up. And let the divine universe take care of it. I'm ready to let go of those things now. I'm ready to be fully healed and to feel the very best. I'm ready to step into my power now. And now, we ask that the healing light and energy continue. With healing for each individual to continue doing what is best for them. As we invite you right now, as you take yourself I want you to see yourself as though you're standing there. Just visualize. If you feel like standing, please do. I am here to take back my power, to step into the very best version of me, to let go and to step away, to leave behind all those things of the past. They're no longer, they cannot be a part of my present because they are affecting my now. And so I release them with love, with so much love, and I thank them. I thank them for the experiences, for what I've learned, because everything has brought me right here to this moment. And I'm so grateful. Thank you. But I'm ready to move past that and move on from that. I want you to just feel yourself self-empowering. You now have the courage as you stand up tall and you choose to step forward in to 2025. Cleaner, lighter, brighter, renewed, more powerful. The best version of you that you can be. And we welcome you just because we can hear some saying as I've stepped into it, everything from woohoo to hallelujah to, it's like stepping into it. Feel yourself stepping into it. Feel the freedom of that movement. Feel yourself. Feel how you feel. Pay attention to everything that's going on in your body. And we invite you now to scan through your body. Start to move. And shake it around. Stretch. And say thank you. Thank you to yourself. And give yourself a hug. We ask that for all those who have been with us here now and in every now, receive the most of that of which they're asking for, all that cosmic law will allow, and that they feel it in this moment, and in the day and the night, the days and the weeks to come. Bringing forward their intentions, bringing forward the healing, allowing for truly an expansive version of themselves, to truly be able to live their very best life, free from the past and any ties that would bind. They release you all to the light.